In this video, I'm going to be showing you my YouTube analytics and how much money I make on YouTube. And we're going to start right now. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Boozled. I am a YouTuber with a channel with over 13,000 subscribers. What I do on YouTube is I make SML reactions. I basically watch this channel called SML. And I watch it, I pause the video, I explain my thoughts, and I let you know how I feel about the video, and that's pretty much it. I really like talking about SML a lot, so that's why my channel is mostly about SML. Now, I currently have 13,796 subscribers, and today I'm going to be showing you my analytics and how this channel performs, basically, and how much revenue I make, and yeah. So let's get into my analytics right now. Okay, so we are here with my channel analytics. Yeah, basically I got 45,000 views in the last 28 days, 2,000 watch hours, 300 subscribers, and I earned $61.63. Anyways, here are my top videos for the period. The Jeffy's Fun Day video and the SML What If. This one as well. They're all in my top 10. But I've made them like 2 to 3 years ago. So it's pretty interesting how these still perform well. So in my reach section, I have 529.9 thousand impressions. My impression click-through rate is 5.4%. Obviously, you already know about the views, but my unique viewers, 20.7 thousand people right there. Traffic sources, most of them from YouTube search. It's probably because it's an SML reaction and people will just search up SML video blah 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 reaction. Suggested videos, makes sense. Channel pages, probably from my channel. Browse features, playlists, and others. My traffic source, you know, there's Google search, Patreon, because I do have a Patreon, and Bing.com. I'm a little surprised about that. I'm surprised about Twitter as well because I don't have a huge following on Twitter. I do share my videos sometimes on Twitter, so maybe that's where it came from. In Creator Studio, that's probably from me. And traffic source, you know, SML reactions. Oh, the playlist, yeah, SML reactions uploads from me. These are my top suggested videos. Like, these are the top videos that suggest my content. Obviously, you can just see right here more SML stuff. Traffic search, these are the top terms. And let's just go to the engagement. So the average view duration of my channel is 2 minutes 43 seconds, which is up 5% from the last time period. So my top videos are right here, and the top playlist is obviously SML reactions. Then popular uploads, money. I have a private playlist called Money. It's basically a playlist from people who teach you how to make money. And then the Papa Louie series, my boy. It was back when I was about to take a break, basically. Top cards is the Patreon cards, then the SML cards. All right, my audience. And then I'm really active from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. Subscribers who turn on all notifications from my channel, which is 37.2%, 5.1 thousand. That's a lot because typically on YouTube it's 10 to 30%. And I have 37%, so that's really interesting. Subscribers who turned on all notifications for your channel and enabled YouTube notifications, which is 13.3%, which is 1.8 thousand. That's within the typical range. That's a huge range. So is that, but anyways, watch time for subscribers. 80% of my watch time is from people who are not subscribed, and 19.2% is from people who are subscribed. Age and gender, 20% female and around 80% male watchers. And then here's the age group. The top countries: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Ireland. Then I don't really use subtitles, but here it is. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. All right, so my estimated revenue is $61.63. My RPM, which is how much I make per 1,000 views, is $1.41. Here's my playback based CPM. So this is how much advertisers pay per 1,000. which is $6.75. But here's my monthly revenue. So March is, so these all the way to like probably like till the end of May. That's when I was still taking a break from YouTube. So March is only $14.79. April is $12.42. May is $19.18. June is when I started like actually uploading again. I uploaded towards the end of May, but June was like a full month where I uploaded, which was, I uploaded like twice a week. $26.46. July, I uploaded more. I'm uploading like 4 times a week now. It's $63.07. In August right now, it's currently August 15th, so I'm like about halfway through the month. I made $21.93. Here are my revenue sources. A lot of it's from my YouTube ad revenue. I also have a transaction revenue, which is from someone who paid for my YouTube memberships. So it's right here, and then there's the YouTube Premium. So you can look through here. I don't really want to read it all, but I think my top month was this month in May. May 2017. I think that's when I made an SML theory video. I made a theory about an SML video, and I got a lot of views on that, and I think it blew up my channel. These 3 months were like my prime time, so that was awesome. Then after that, it went downhill. Then I went to take a break, so it's understandable. What I found interesting though when I looked at this was that someone bought like my channel membership for $5. Right here, like someone just bought it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. For 14 months. That's over a year. Someone was a channel member for 14 months. When I offered nothing, I was pretty much taking a break from YouTube during that time, except for these 2 months. But I was basically not doing anything on YouTube, and they still had the channel membership on. I didn't offer anything. It was just the channel stickers, basically, or the badge. Yeah, it's the channel badge and the stickers they can use. It's crazy. Like someone actually bought it, and I'm not sure if it's the same person who's like buying it right now, who's my channel member right now, but they did this for a long time, and it's crazy. But I'm also grateful. Someone also bought it right here. I guess I never noticed, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty amazing how someone did that. That's basically my YouTube revenue over the course of pretty much over my lifetime on YouTube. I'll just go right here real quick. It's my top earning videos for the past 28 days. So this video is where that one transaction came from. It's the Jeffy's car accident video. But here it is. Joseph's Imaginary Family one earned me almost $10. Then this one, $7.38. You can just look at it, but most videos just earn me like a few cents in the last 28 days. These are the new ones, and then this one was it just keeps earning me money because someone's making a transaction. And then this one, surprisingly, I forgot about this one. I made this one almost 4 years ago when I was 14 years old, and I basically made a video about how to make money in your house. This one probably has the highest RPM and the highest CPM of all my videos because it's about how to make money. So obviously advertisers who advertise about the same topic, they would advertise on that video. I'm just gonna keep looking, and you can pause whenever you feel like it, and then I'm gonna change it to my lifetime. So this is my theory video. This is the one that blew my channel up and earned me $137.93. It's demonetized right now. It wasn't kid friendly, so they demonetized it, but I still earned over $100. And then I made a secret door reaction video, so there we go. And then here, once again, it's the how to make money in your house. I made this for fun. I found ways how to make money in your house, and then I made that video, and it's actually earning me a decent amount of money. And then here's another SML video. This one I made 3 years ago. I made a parody video. I made my own like plush video. It's pretty interesting. And then this is my highest like earning like gaming video, which is the Wii Sports Baseball video. Oh, ignore that. Ignore that. Oh my gosh, I actually made a thumbnail like that 4 years ago. Okay. So yeah, you can, once again, you can pause. I'm not sure if I can. Yeah. Okay. It'll just show my top 50, I believe. So here you go. So you can pause. I'll just continually scroll up. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. I apologize if I suck at talking, but I will see you all later. Peace.